Hello all, welcome to session 6 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how Selectors Hub supports XPath Axes. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly is this XPath Axes? Let me explain. Using XPath language, we can create XPath expressions, and these XPath expressions can be used as locators for locating the UI elements. In some cases, the normal XPath expressions may not be able to locate the desired UI elements on the screen. For that, we have to use some advanced concept in XPath language known as XPath Axes, which can help us in creating the advanced or complex XPath expressions which can locate any type of UI elements on the screen. And because of this XPath Axis, XPath has become the powerful locator out of all the other type of locators available, guys. Okay, out of all the other type of locators like ID, name, class name, okay, CSS selectors, and etc. XPath is the powerful locator. Okay, XPath expressions are the powerful locators because of this concept in XPath language known as XPath Axis, guys. Now, I'm saying that Selectors Hub is supporting such kind of advanced concept in XPath, that is XPath Access. How it is supporting? Let me practically show you. For that, let's open the browser where the Selectors Hub is already installed like this. As you can see, Selectors Hub is already installed in this Chrome browser. Now, I'll take you to this application URL. Say, just search for this, guys. Okay, to go to that application URL page, you have to search this compendium dev basic web page. Like this, just search. And in the search results, you will get this link, basic web page link. Click on that and you will be taken to this page. Now right click inspect and go to the selectors hub here, as explained in previous sessions, how to go to the selectors hub like this. I just want fast. Okay, now I want to create the XPath expression for this, a paragraph of text. Okay, so you see, this is the HTML code, guys. Okay, this particular line is locating this paragraph, right? By looking at this HTML code, I'll write an XPath expression manually, /p, right? /p, and it has some ID, guys. ID is equal to para1. So here I'll say square bracket at the rate ID is equal to para1. I'll select this para1. Okay. So like this, if I press enter, you see one element is matching. That is nothing but this paragraph. First paragraph. Now using this first paragraph, I want to locate the second paragraph. Let's say directly you are not able to locate the second paragraph. In some situations, what happens is you cannot directly locate a particular UI element. So what you will do, you will go for a nearby element which you can locate using the XPath expressions like this. For example, paragraph 1 is can be directly located using the XPath expression, but paragraph 2 cannot be located using the XPath expression. In such kind of cases, first you locate the thing that can be located, which is nearby the required element. Okay. Ultimately, we have to locate the second paragraph. Since we are not able to locate it directly, we first located the another paragraph, which is near to this second paragraph that we have to locate. Okay. So using this XPath expression, we are able to locate the first paragraph. Now, how to locate the second with the help of the first paragraph? Here says slash. Simply say slash, guys. Automatically, the selectors hub is suggesting you some XPath axis. This following sibling is the concept, is one of the item in the XPath axis of the XPath language, guys. Following sibling is from the XPath axis concept of the XPath language. So that selector sub is supporting and giving you this particular thing in the as auto suggestion. Select this slash following sibling. What is the following sibling? This is having the paragraph tag. So you have to say P and press enter. You see, with the help of the first paragraph and using the XPath axis, we are able to locate the U element which cannot be located directly, right? If this particular second paragraph is unable to be located directly by the XPath expression, in such cases, you will locate the first paragraph by writing the XPath or whatever it is. Okay. First, you will write the XPath expression for locating the first paragraph, and using this XPath axis concept, you can locate the nearby U elements. Okay, here this is the following sibling as part of XPath axis. I'm not going to explain everything about XPath axis in this session because that is out of topic, guys. I'm just going to prove here that I'm just proving here that selectors hub is supporting the XPath axis. That's it, with an example as shown here. Okay, following sibling is from the XPath axis concept only. So hope guys you understood how selectors hub supports the XPath axis and how it auto suggests the things from the XPath axis, right? So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.